Welcome to the Next Generation Manufacturers Pvt Limited, where innovation meets excellence. Next Generation Manufacturers state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Super, Ahmednagar district, Maharashtra. Spread across 12 acres of land, equipped with the latest technology to produce high-quality air conditioners and LED televisions under the brand name Amstrad. The advanced manufacturing facility has acquired ISO 9001:2015 certificate that meets global standards and an annual production capacity of 600,000 units of air conditioners and LED televisions respectively, customized for the Indian market. Amstrad now has over 7.5 lakh delighted consumers across the length and breadth of the country. But what sets us apart is our focus on quality control and process efficiency. In our factory, we have areas that are critical to quality, CTQ, and critical to process, CTP, which ensures that our products are of the highest quality and are manufactured with the utmost efficiency. Our air conditioner manufacturing process is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring the highest quality standards. Let's take a closer look. Here, we have the vacuum room, where we perform the vacuuming process to ensure that the air conditioning unit is free from any impurities. This is the gas charging machine, where we use state-of-the-art equipment to fill the air conditioning unit with the R32 environment-friendly gas. Next, we have the halogen leak detector, where we check for any leaks in the air conditioning unit. Our process ensures that our units are free from any leaks, making them defect-free and giving the best cooling performance. Our performance testing room is equipped with the latest technology where each unit is tested for 15 minutes and the data is stored electronically for future after-sales service. We have halogen leak detector number 2, ensuring that our units are free from any leaks. And, finally, we have a 5TR air enthalpy calorimeter and psychometric enthalpy lab, which is essential in R&D and new product development. Our LED television manufacturing process is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring the highest quality standards. Let's take a closer look. Here, we have the LCM Clean Room, where we manufacture the LCD modules with the backlight to ensure a high-quality display. Next, we have the final assembly line, where we manufacture the TV units with the latest technology and equipment. Here, we have the HVIR, where we test the high voltage capacity of our televisions to ensure safety. Our aging line is equipped with the latest technology where each function and HDMI, all input ports are tested for 1 hour. Here, we have the signal generator room, which transmits signals at different frequencies and inputs to thoroughly check each and every television to ensure they are defect-free. Our bonding machine room is equipped with the latest technology to ensure that our televisions are manufactured with the highest quality standards. And finally, we have the finished goods area, where our products are prepared for shipping to our customers worldwide. Next Generation Manufacturers believes in conserving the environment and saving the planet for the next generation by saving energy and resources and reducing waste. Environmental protection measures have been taken at the manufacturing plant, including rooftop solar power generation to achieve zero carbon footprint in 2025. Rainwater harvesting and sewage treatment plant. Over 500 trees were planted at the factory campus as part of green initiatives. Next Generation Manufacturers' state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and commitment to excellence ensure that Amstrad products are the smart choice for discerning customers. Thank you for choosing Amstrad, and welcome to the next generation of manufacturing.